Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating invigilation robot with thermal screening. So we are going to fix this setup on our previous project of invigilation robots. So this setup consists of 4 different kind of modules. One is IR camera, and another is basic JPG camera, and another is 2 as of our thermal screening purpose. So these 4 modules interface to the Raspberry Pi, and here the Raspberry Pi 3 we are going to use to monitor this thermal images, and based on the temperature levels we are going to give the voice outputs. So as well as this output will be displayed on the HTML screen, which is connected to the Raspberry Pi through hotspots. So before switching on this power supply, so we need to do one initial steps, like we need to enable the hotspot in any phone with the name of ABCDEFGHI, and the password should be 123456789. And also, if you are using Android phone, install this network analyzer app in your phone to get the Raspberry Pi IP address. So in my case, I got this IP address in my phone. So already I have enabled the hotspot in my phone, and now so I have connected another phone with my IP address, to my Android phone. So this is the IP address I entered in a Google Chrome of another phone. So this phone is connected to my Android phone, which I am taking the video, and the Raspberry Pi also already stored this IP SSID and password in the Raspberry Pi through programming. So now I already enabled the hotspot. So now I switch on the kit. So after switching on the kit, you can see the 2 lights, red light and green light is blinking. So if only red light is blinking, then restart the system. So now my system was connected to my phone. So you can check that hotspot device is connected. So as well as you can see this IR lights. So this camera is IR image and JPG camera, and also thermal scanning purpose. So once the Raspberry Pi got initialized, you will hear the welcome message from the speaker. So it will take around of 10 to 20 seconds or 30 seconds based on the processing, and it will initialize after the some time, and will announce the project name. So then you can connect it to this.
Welcome to the project invigilation robot with thermal screening.
So now just enter this IP address along with this port number. This is very important, 192.168.43.72:5000. So now I entered. So you can see the 2 images. One thing is JPG, and there is a thermal scanning image. These will be refreshed automatically for every 2 to 3 seconds. So based on the processing speed and network speed, you will get the 2 images, right? So now I am in front of this camera. So this thermal images and thermal capturing and temperature will be monitored at least of 1 meter to 1.5 meter. So that is at least to 4 to 5 feet. And if the temperature exceeds about 38 degrees, because for COVID patients we are setting limit for the 100.5 Fahrenheit. So based on that, we set the temperature for 38 degrees in terms of degree centigrade. When it increases, means when the person is in front of this camera, his temperature is more than 38.5 degrees, automatically the speaker will announce the alert message. So as you can see this in thermal images. So thermal images, the blue color is going to be the near to temperature, is the body temperature. This dark blue is going to be the almost it's less than the 30 degrees or 28 degrees based on the temperature values. The color will be increases from blue to light blue and to the red color. So for the high temperature, here we are going to demonstrate with the help of soldering iron. So let us see the demonstration. So initially we will show the demonstration with help of soldering iron. So the person with iron, without iron. So he is in front of this camera. So when he places the iron in front of this,
high body temperature, please check. Alert high body temperature, please
so based on the network speed, you will get the 2 images. So wait for some time.
Alert high body temperature, please check. Alert high orbit temperature, please check.
Right.
Alert
So as you can
high
see
orbit
this,
temperature,
the red
please
dot is
check.
going to be the high temperature part of the body. Right, you can see that. Okay, based on network speed, you will get the more. Now the soldering iron temperature getting decreased because we disconnected that power supply. So it's decreasing the temperature. So now you can see this. The color is coming from red to yellow, yellow to blue, and blue to the dark blue,
Alert high
like
orbit
that.
temperature, please check. Alert high orbit temperature, please
So right.
check.
So it at least work for 1 meter, means 3 to 4 feet. If we increase the distance, it will not work. Okay. Thank you for watching demo. This is temperature sensors.